I'm Jamie McAdams. I'm doing the Plunge for Landon, and I'm going to challenge all the people in my sector, Officer Horsley, Hurley, Van Hookey, Patton, and Shannon Carroll, all the sergeants at Center Zone, my captain Keith Kirchhoff, my major Sean Wadley, and Chief Darrell Forte, as well as Chris Millsap and Jeff Barnett, and Annie Neds, Father Jim Churn, and Eric Burke. So you got one day to do this.
Ooh. Okay, you did it.
That's without cursing. Holy